If you're having trouble making or receiving calls on WhatsApp, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few steps that can help fix the problem. You'll need to go through each step to find the solution that works for you. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap General. After that, tap iPhone Storage and scroll down until you find WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp, then select Offload app and confirm by pressing Offload. Wait a few seconds and then tap Reinstall app. Next, go back to the main settings page. Scroll down again and tap General, then select VPN and Device Management. Make sure your phone is not connected to any VPN, because VPN connections can sometimes interfere with WhatsApp calls. Once you've checked that, test WhatsApp again to see if the issue is fixed. If the problem is still there, open the App Store on your iPhone. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner and scroll down to the list of apps. If you see WhatsApp in the list, tap Update to update the app. You can also press Update All to update all apps on your phone. If WhatsApp calls are still not working, try the final solution. Go back to Settings, tap General, and scroll down to the bottom. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then select Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. You may need to enter your iPhone passcode to continue. After resetting, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network and check WhatsApp again. One of these steps should help fix the calling issue.